Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News. It's time to head to the races, and if you can't travel to Kentucky to do it, the Alliance of Southwest Missouri has just the perfect event for you. We are welcoming to the show Jen Black. Welcome.
Thank you.
Great to have you here.
Yeah,
not a problem. We enjoy you coming in. So we're talking about the Kentucky Derby, but you of course can't bring the horses to Southwest Missouri, so you're doing something a little different.
We are. We're hosting an event, Derby-esque. It's called An Afternoon at the Races on Saturday from 3 to 6 at Adeline Acres in Carl Junction. And we will have old horse races playing that people can place bets on with funny money, like Monopoly money. We'll do 6 of those races and other activities throughout the day. Hors d'oeuvres will be served. We'll drink McJuleps and bourbon like you were at the actual Derby. We ask people to come dressed as if they're going to the Derby with the big hats and all. Not necessary at all to come to the event, but just for fun.
Yeah.
Rumor has it, the bigger the brim on the hat, the luckier you are. So we're getting down to the wire to shop for hats, but if you don't have a hat, we have a hat bar, and you can come and buy a hat there or decorate your hat, all kinds of things. We'll have a silent auction trying to raise money for the Alliance.
And how important is it just in general to be able to bring in money for the Alliance?
Yeah, it's incredibly important. We have 16 programs that serve kids and families, trying to keep kids safe in the environments that they're growing up in to be the healthiest version possible. And so many of those programs need extra funding just to be able to grow and expand and to continue to serve the kiddos of our community.
All right, and you mentioned the event is upcoming, so we're going to kind of recap, when is it, where is it, what do people need to know? Do they need to register or anything like that?
Yeah, if they could buy their tickets in advance, that'd be incredibly helpful for planning purposes, and they can do that on our Facebook page or our website, the Alliance of SWMO.org, and our Facebook is just the Alliance of SWMO. And tickets are $30 in advance, $35 at the door. And if they get their tickets and then come on Saturday from 3 to 6 at Adeline Acres in Carl, an afternoon at the races. We're going to have stick horse races and lawn games and just all the things. It'll just be a very, very fun afternoon, and then we'll end the day actually watching the Kentucky Derby together.
That sounds like a lot of fun. You talked about watching the old races and then getting to watch the one that's actually happening.
Right.
So you get to see how things have evolved over the years, and you're helping a great cause all at the same time.
Absolutely.
I imagine there'll be some opportunities for folks to learn more about the Alliance.
Yeah,
those that maybe don't know what's going on.
That's right. We'll do a presentation, just a few minutes, sharing with what we do and all the programs that we do, just so they have a better understanding when they leave that day. So we're there to have fun, but there is a greater purpose in learning about the Alliance and raising funds. Yes.
All right, Jen, thank you so much for coming in this morning. And of course, we'll have more of this information on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. We'll be back with more of the KOAM Morning News right after this.